Okay, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm back again with this fall look. Real fall, even though it's still summer, but I really wanted to film a fall one because fall is my favorite, and you guys is gonna be in the 80s. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. If you guys want to keep on watching how I did this look, just keep on watching. If you don't, then I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy this whole fall look, you know, this whole dark look, like my soul, like my spirit and my heart. That got a little too dark right there. Okay, so bye. See you guys later. So I'm just gonna brush them out. The same brush I always use, which is the Morphe eyebrow brush. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 5. Okay, and I'm just gonna start filling in my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna go in and just reshape my eyebrows with concealer. Like always, I like to use my Maybelline Fit Me and Fair. And take the other end of my brush, and I'm just gonna start reshaping them just so that they're nice and defined. Take it from the spoolie, and I just go directly onto the eyebrows. I'm gonna put my base on really quick. Again, just with my Fit Me concealer. I'm gonna use my Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette, and this is like the first time I'm using it because I'm crying in the clip right now. I was saving it just for a special video. I'm gonna go in with my all over brush from Real Techniques, my flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with Ounce and a bit of Chaser. I'm just gonna use that for my all over color. It's like I'm trying to transition from summer into fall, so I don't want to go too dark yet. I think I'm gonna go in with He Devil, and I'm gonna use this as my all over color. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's see how pigmented this is. Another blending brush. This is like a more tapered brush, and this is just again from Morphe. I'm gonna go in with Sauce and Low Blow just to blend it to my crease, but I'm gonna go in with tapered brush. Again, this is another one from Morphe, and I'm gonna go a little darker. So I'm gonna take in Fuego, and I'm gonna focus that towards my outer part of my eye, and I'm really just doing like very small circles. That's how I'm blending it in. I just leave it like this for now, and I take a bigger blending brush, nothing on it, just fully clean. This is just my Morphe M533 brush, and then that's when I use it just to fully blend it out. So I'm gonna take a dense flat shader brush. It's just like really dense. It's from Morphe. It doesn't really have a name because I got it off the pack. And I'm gonna take some concealer, the same one I used to shape my eyebrows with. I think I said shave. And I'm gonna take some of the back of my hand. So I'm just using this since it gets a dome shape. It's easier to get into your crease. Okay, after that's done, I'm just gonna take the same brush just because I want to, and I'm gonna apply some setting spray. You can use any spray, and I'm just gonna go with my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to spray that just so that the glitter comes out more pigmented. I think I'm going to go in with Scorched. I'm going to just put that directly onto the lid, or to the part where I had that whole crease at, just so it also just makes it pop up more. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of Lumber, which is just a lighter, and focus it more towards the inner part of my eye, just so that it just blends in. And then just to highlight my brow bone, I'm just gonna take any brush. I'm just gonna take a clean flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with Ounce, which is that first light color we use, and we're just gonna pop that underneath the brow bone. As far as eyeliner though, I really don't want to put any eyeliner, so I think I'm just gonna tight line my eyes. So I'm using MAC's Pencil and Coffee, and I'm just gonna tight line my eye. And then for lashes, Volume, which is this one. So I'm just gonna comb my eyelashes first. So I already measured them, and I already cut them according to my eye shape. And now that I'm looking at them, they're really nice. Like, I just tried them on really quick, and I think they're like, oh, obviously they're not that natural, but To me, they're a pretty natural type. Okay, so as far as moisturizer goes, I already moisturized my face. I already put on my sunblock. I'm gonna list all the items I used down below. I did put my primer on. Today I did use the peach 16-hour wear, the peaches and cream from Too Faced, I believe. And I just put it on my skin already, so I already let that set. I'm gonna use my NARS foundation today, which is my 16-hour luminous, all day luminous foundation in Santa Fe. I did use, this was like my favorite foundation before I discovered Fenty. And to set my face, I'm gonna use the Airspun loose powder. Oh no! My coffee! I can't have nice things. I'm just gonna bake my, where I need to bake. I'm just going to wet my beauty blender a little bit. I'm gonna take it into my loose powder and I'm just going to bake in the areas where I need it, which is my smile lines. And then on my chin, where I get oilier. And then, since I have no concealer underneath my eyes. That's all I do for now, and then after I let it set for a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish the rest of my eyes. I'm just gonna dust off just for my eye areas that are really... Actually, I'm gonna go in with Heat Devil really quick, and I'm gonna use that to apply some shadow to the outer parts of my eye. So I'm gonna take this really small brush right here. I'm gonna go in with Heat Devil. I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on the brush, and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line and just bring it all the way up. I'm just using that, and I'm gonna take it a little bit lower than usual, just so everything's just not too top heavy. I'm done with the eyeshadow now. For the glitter, you guys can skip this part if you guys want to, but I really want to apply some gold glitter. I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. This one is in Crystal Gold. I'm gonna apply this towards the inner part of my eye and a little bit in my inner corner. And I'm just gonna bring it a little bit more than halfway out towards my eye. So I'm just gonna dust off a lot of this bake that we did, and I'm just going to use a very large powder brush. This is just the one from Real Techniques, so I'm just going to. So for the gold and the champagnes, I have this one from Academy of Colors. This is the one I still haven't used. This is the one I wanted to use from last time. Just look at it. I haven't even swatched it yet. Oof. So that's this one. I also have the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion in number 2. I also have my Fenty, which I like to always put on top just to give it that extra glow. And I also have Champagne Pop. I think I'm gonna go with Champagne Pop today though. I haven't used this one in a while. So it just looks like this. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques Rose Gold brush, and I know there's a number for this. 300. I just really like this brush. This brush is like, I really like it for highlight. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. You don't have to, but I want to. That makes all the difference. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of my Fenty Trophy Wife. You guys don't have to, but you know I love my highlight. I got to. I still haven't tried to touch the top part, just the bottom. And I'm gonna take a big brush like this. It's just another one from Morphe. I'm just gonna take it from the bottom because I'm not gonna touch the top. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my nose. I have my Cupid's bow. And then I'm just gonna contour really quick, and I'm gonna use the same one I always use. It's just the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette Contour. That's really what it says. Contouring Palette Contour. This one's in caramel, what did I say? Caramel Toffee. Where am I looking? And I'm gonna take it on this e.l.f. brush. I am just going to mix them too because I want it to be a little bit more softer, and I don't really like a really harsh contour, so I'm just using this just to really warm up the face. I really like this brush. It's a really good size for contouring. And I have no idea how to contour my nose, or else I would do that too. For lips, I'm gonna go, you know what, let's figure this out, because I have a couple of colors I wanted to try using, so I'm gonna use this each one and see which one I like the most. But I don't like them too cool tone, so I'm gonna line my lips really quick. I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty's Trendsetter, which is just a brown. So if anything too, I also have, I wanted to go with like a dark red. So the ones I have Tardia's lip paint, and this one, it's in Cis. And then I also have Vampira, you know, the old famous Vampira. And I also have Anastasia's liquid matte in Heathers. I'm just gonna do like a quick swatch, see which one I like. I'm like, this one's Vampira, that one is Cis, and then this one is, I believe, Tarte. This one's Tarte, and that one's Tarte's Cis, and this one is Anastasia's Heathers. So my camera woman has decided I'm going with Vampira. Okay, you guys, I know even with me, I always have troubles with the dark lipsticks just because they do tend to be taken off right here in the innards, and then like when you're doing your line, it's hard. So you guys, I found a solution. So I'm gonna just line my lips again, and the one I'm using is Bites number 76. I would use one that's more closer to the darkness though, like a more dark lip pencil, but I don't know where all my lip pencils went. I really don't, and I'm kind of sad. They're all gone. This just really helps so that you know where your lines are and you know where to stay on the inside. And if every time you need more, just take it off from that excess that you pulled off from. Oh my god, that is dark, but that is fall. Holy sh! The hard part is over. However, I do notice that even right now, like you can tell, like it's, I'm not gonna put all the way in the inside because then it gets on my teeth, but bear with me. I know that a lot of people really like this matte look, but as much as I do like it, I'd rather have it so that my lips stay, the lip color stays on all day rather than it like fading out from the innards. You can keep it like this. Just take your lipstick with you wherever you go, you know. And then every time you feel like it's getting crusted off, just take it off with a napkin and just reapply it. But what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of like a lip stain or anything liquidy, put it on the inside, let it dry, and apply chapstick only to like the inner parts. Basically just so that your lips stay hydrated, and that every time you feel that it's, you know, it's gonna come off, just go like that and like it's brand new. Bam. That's the thing, is with the darkness, especially when it's a really warm red tone kind of lipstick, and lip liner really does help the bleeding, especially with these dark colors. So now that I'm done with this look, I'm so excited for the fall, you guys. I'm like, yes. I'm really feeling this like inner corner with the gold and everything as well. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You know, I really love this whole like fall makeup thing. That's like my favorite holiday to do. Like as far as the makeup wise goes, it's just, I love the darkness like my soul. My black heart. Oh, you know what though? I did not set the face. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys soon, hopefully sooner than later. So if you guys really like this makeup look, give it a thumbs up. If you guys don't, well, how did you guys make it to the end of this video? That's what I'm trying to figure out. But if you guys do like it, please hit that subscribe button for me. It really helps. And again, I'm trying to still plan my giveaway, so just DM me what you guys like, what kind of things you guys want. I'm thinking makeup wise, thinking some eyeshadows, some eyeshadow palettes, some highlighters, of course the highlight. Hope to see you guys soon, and goodbye. Have fun. It's almost fall. Bye.